टाइप का मट्टी लेके आए? टूट रहा है ऐसे पा।
Really miss this. Pretty simple here. We just have a nice little paranormal potty.
That is, oh my god, that is beast. What are they doing? I think we're getting abducted by aliens tomorrow, Dad.
There's quite a few, though.
You don't see that very often.
Of course you don't see
So what are they doing?
Which is better, face shields or masks? This simulation shows how a face shield can reduce your exposure to virus by 96% when someone near you coughs. They cover your mouth, nose, and eyes, which face masks don't. Health professionals wear them, so should you. Face shields have other benefits compared to traditional masks. It's easier to communicate because your mouth isn't covered. And these plastic face shields can be disinfected using alcohol wipes or soap and water so they can be used over and over again. But even the experts are divided. Dr. Jack Caravanos is a public health professor at NYU.
I do believe face shields offer a bit more protection than a mask. I think right now wearing a face shield and a mask underneath is probably overkill.
Dr. Saskia Popescu is an infection prevention specialist.
If you're considering a face shield, it shouldn't override the need to still wear a mask. You should be using both of them.
We visited Paulson Manufacturing Plant outside San Diego to see how they're making face shields.
This is the first step in the production process. The punch press comes down and cuts out the exact pattern, the design of the face shield.
Next, the forehead cushion is added and the straps are attached. Easy. Right now, face shields are in robust supply, as Inside Edition reporter Allison Hall discovered.
Face shields are pretty easy to find. You can buy them online or at a local shop. I found this one in Manhattan for only $9.99.
But if you can't get your hands on one, check this out. You can make your own using a 2-liter soda bottle.
Now we're gonna go ahead and cut down the middle. We're gonna wanna put something soft on the inside where our forehead's gonna be. Now we've got our 2 strings. Now you can just pretty much tie this on your head.
Hello guys, this seems to be, so can you see the curves that are behind the clouds? At first I thought it was the sun halo, but now I'm thinking the Bikeride Planet X. Have a look.
There are unwelcome guests in India. First came the coronavirus, then the most dangerous of the migratory pests in the world, locusts. Large swarms of these parasitic bugs are already doing what they do best, feeding on any kind of green vegetation, crops, pastures and fodder. In April, these large joint families of locusts entered India via Pakistan. This is the worst locust attack on India in 26 years. They spread from the Horn of Africa to Yemen, then flew to Iran before attacking hectares of cotton fields in Pakistan. The pests have made landfall in India. A single swarm can cover 1 square kilometer and have 80 to 150 million locusts. They have the ability to breed phenomenally. Each locust can eat as much as it weighs, and their long-range flying is troublesome. In a single day, they can cover about 150 kilometers. A locust population spread across 1 square kilometer can ravage crops meant for over 35,000 people. Since last winter, these pests have been giving farmers sleepless nights. Over the past year, most of the farmlands affected by locusts have lost 1/3 of their crops. Locusts are known to come to India around June to feed on summer crops, but this year they landed in April. This jeopardizes the agriculture-based economies of several states, and there is no quick fix solution to this pest menace. Truckloads of pesticides are being sent to different parts of the country, but these pests can only be destroyed at night when they settle on trees. Even drones are being used. But the problem is much bigger. Blame global warming. The higher temperature, even in winter, is perfect for locusts to breed. They have journeyed the world, from Africa to West Asia to South Asia. Locusts arrived in Pakistan from Iran in June 2019. They devoured the summer crops, cotton, wheat and maize. The invasion was expected to subside, but it didn't. The locusts have stayed and spread. Some of the poorest countries in the world are the worst affected. Locusts have threatened food security and livelihoods in East and West Africa, South and West Asia and India. India is coordinating a joint effort with Iran and Pakistan to stop the emergence of fresh swarms of locusts. For India, this is a national calamity. In the past, locusts have caused plagues in India, but India has not witnessed any full-blown locust cycles after 1962. Like the virus, this is a problem that requires a sustained response. A pest problem that can't be swatted away that easily. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.